What is going on, everybody? It's the Naughty Investor. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Thank you so much for all the support I've been getting on the channel. We are approaching 3,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support. Again, I really appreciate it, guys. Now let's get into the video. So, Bitcoin right now, there was a MACD crossing right over here on the MACD. And this is all about moving averages over here. When this blue line goes above the brownish orangey line, that indicates bullishness. When the reverse happens, it indicates bearishness. So bearishness, price going down, bullishness, price going up for some of the beginners out there. And we know this, and we can demonstrate this, just looking at the chart. Look right here at Bitcoin. What happened? The blue line went under the orange line and the price went down. And then the blue line went over the orange line, the price went up. Then the blue line went under the orange line and the price went down, and now we are in the bull trend. We are going to see 15K Bitcoin very soon, probably before the end of the year, before 2018. But that's not why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video because you want to hear my prediction. You want to know where I think Bitcoin is going to go in 2018. And you might be saying, well, what do I care where you are? You're just a YouTuber. Well, I've been involved with crypto for years now, right? I am relatively young. I am in my 20s. However, I did start buying Bitcoin in high school, which was years ago. So I know quite a bit about crypto. I know, I'm diversified, always diversify. I'm not necessarily super pro Bitcoin or super pro Ethereum or super pro Litecoin. I believe in diversification. Yes, you could have certain cryptos that you are bullish on, more heavily weighted in your portfolio, but always diversify, always own other cryptos. So if you're new to this, if you're new to crypto, buy at least a little bit of Bitcoin, at least a little bit of Ethereum, and at least a little bit of Litecoin, just so you have a nice diversified portfolio. So let's get into it. Where do I think Bitcoin's going for 2018? And why? My prediction for 2018 by the end, and I am usually conservative with my predictions, right? Because I don't want to be a hype beast. I don't want to just hype things up for views. I want to be conservative. I want to be reasonable. I think 25K is a very, very reasonable estimate for Bitcoin because we've seen it go up 1,700% this past year. 1,700%, right? And we're not even seeing Wall Street get involved yet. And look, I know people don't like Wall Street. I get it. But here's the reality. Wall Street, when they invest, they put millions in. They don't put a few grand in. They put tens and hundreds of millions of dollars in. And if you understand supply and demand, and you understand economics, and know that Bitcoin supply is limited, and you see all this new money pouring in, it's going to force the price way up, way up. It's not even able to go on my screen right now. So we're going to see Bitcoin have a huge 2018. We're going to see it surge past 25K. At the very least, it'll hit it. But it's going to definitely surge past it. Now, I'm going to disclose this. I'm not saying there's going to be, no corrections at all. There are going to be price dips. There are going to be profit taking, people taking their money out of the Bitcoin market and converting it to fiat or putting it into altcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP. But even taking that into account, I think we're going to see 25K Bitcoin. I think we're going to have a strong year. The RSI is good. There's some overbuying, but not, but it's always off-weighted by the overselling that occurs, or at least, some moderate selling. We are seeing a MACD cross at this moment, meaning we are in a bullish mode right now, which means prices are going to rise for the short term. Again, we might see some more dips. Nothing just goes up, and never goes down. There's going to be dips. There's going to be dips. There's going to be more and more dips. But on the long term, over the next year, it's going to rise. It's going to rise. It's going to be just like this past year, if not better, because we're going to see more investors, more venture capitalists, more enthusiasts. You're going to see your family members talking about Bitcoin. You're going to see, because think about it like this. The first coin people get into is always Bitcoin. Don't even doubt it. I mean, there's some exceptions, but before people get into Ethereum, before people get into Litecoin, before they get into XRP or into ICOs, and again, I'm involved with all that, and if that interests you, get on the channel, subscribe. Before people get into that, they 99% of the time, 99, they start with Bitcoin. They start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the entry to crypto, and it's going to stay that way for quite some time. Might Ethereum take over? Maybe. Might Litecoin take over? Maybe. But right now, and for the next few years, Bitcoin is that entry point, and that's where all the new crypto money is going to hit first. It might, over time, move into other altcoins, right? That's quite possible. But right now, every new person who wants to invest in crypto, the first thing they're going to buy is Bitcoin. And that's not wrong, it's not right. It's just reality, because that's where people start. That's where I started when I started buying Bitcoin in high school. That's probably where you started. Right? So hope you enjoyed the video. That's my price prediction for 2018, 25K Bitcoin, if not more. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, share it, and get on my email list. Really important for those crypto updates. A couple times a week. I won't spam you, I promise. Have a great day, guys, and I hope you really, are smart about this and diversify. Don't put everything into one crypto. Diversify, spread it out. But here's the reality: 25K Bitcoin by the end of 2018. Peace out.